wanted to give you a quick tour of my scrap space. And so we'll start here. I have slat board across this wall, and in the corner here by my desk I have my Graphic 45 items that I don't want to have in the drawers, stuff that I want to be able to see and remind myself to use. And then I go this way towards my Tim Holtz and my Ranger items. And along the slat board I work my way to Prima and some things that I don't use as often. And it is a little bit messy still. I've been unpacking things for a few months now because I have just too much stuff. But anyway, so that's what I have here. And then if we go down just a little bit here, in the corner, right there, I have my glossy accents and some Scrabble tiles and things. Let's see, down here I have a light and some Tim Holtz items. I have these really great shelving pieces that go into the slat board that are really handy to organize stuff in. And then right below, I have some clear plastic bins, and those have some Graphic 45 in them, and they just go along the space over here. Alright, then we have this really great cabinet that I have. My husband refinished it for me. It was something that we got for free, and so I really love it. It helps me store a lot of my items in it, and it's just what I set, it's just directly below all of my slat board, so it gives me great space for things. So like one drawer will have stamps in it and another will have buttons, and it's just a really great way to store my scrapbook items. And so let's see, we'll move around the room this way. I'm still trying to learn how to use my gimbal. I just got one. So anyway, I have a window here, and I'm carrying more soap. And then this is a bedroom, so I do have a very small closet over here that has a lot of things that I don't use very much. It is still kind of messy because I'm moving in still, or unpacking. Here we have some projects I've made and a type drawer. So I'll show you what that looks like. Has a bunch of little metal pieces in it, and then this one has the actual typeface in it, and so it's really heavy. And then up above we have I have a typewriter and some projects that I've made, and a shelving unit up here that my husband made for me out of an old piano, and some projects. And then we have some paper down here. I've got mostly Graphic 45 in the top, and then a few other brands in the bottom. Here is a library drawer filing system. Back in the old days before computers, this is how you'd find books in a library. And I have them full of thread. So I've got red, orange thread, because I do a lot of sewing on my projects. And then down below I have these great bins that I got from Hobby Lobby, and they hold 12 by 12 paper. They also hold records, and I get them for about $20 a piece when they have their 50% off sale. Sometimes they don't ring up correct, so I have to say, oh, it's a wall hanging, because it does both. It sits and it has little things so you can hang it on a wall. and sometimes it doesn't, they don't ring it up as the sale price, but you know, if you remind them, they'll do that. Alright, and so I have these really cool old vintage soda crates, and they have all my Tim Holtz items in them in different colors. So I've organized it by color, and then I've got my paints and like stains and inks, and then more of the Tim Holtz Ranger items. And then I have this great two-tiered organizing basket, and I got that, I believe, at Tuesday Morning. And I put a lot of the things that I use often in it. And then I have my sewing machine and some more ink pads, and I have some soap that I'm carrying, and so yeah, that's what I have here. I also am working on a display above my desk area, and it has all of some projects of mine, my initials, a license plate from when I lived in Idaho, and but I'm working on adding more things. So the clipboard will have a project on it and just different things, but it'll just be a place for me to store and display some of my projects. So anyway, that's my scrapbook tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.